Moving on to debate number 2 now. After being trolled for her birthday post for Amit Shah, now actress Sara Ali Khan is being trolled for her visit to the holy shrine of Kedarnath. Sara had shared some mesmerizing pictures from her Kedarnath trip with actress Janhvi Kapoor. However, her visit to the temple did not go down well with many, and she was trolled for visiting the ancient shrine Kedarnath.
Love any religion, pray any religion, get relief from any religion. He is a human who has trust in whichever God he likes. It is his. No one can stop.
Well, I condemn those who suffer from this communal hatred, and I strongly deplore the term used as Kafir Muslim. I don't think this is in line with the Muslim philosophy, but in any case, I strongly condemn this.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Let's open this up. Let's go across to our guests. RP Singh continues to be with us. We are also joined by Rashmi Samant, activist. We have Majid Hydari, political analyst, with us, and Syed Masood Ul Hassan, former VP of AMUSU. So let me begin with you, Mr. Hassan. What is wrong with Sara Ali Khan going to Kedarnath? What is wrong with her offering her prayers to Kedarnath?
Basically, I think that there is nothing wrong in it, but when you have a name like Sara Ali Khan, if you are having a name other than the Sara Ali Khan, then you can offer prayer to anything. And if you talk about the Islam, then I think we all know that in every Abrahamic religion, whether it is the Jews, Christianity, or the Islam, especially Islam, idol worship is totally prohibited, and that is not allowed in it. So having a name like Sara Ali Khan, basically they belong to a certain society that doesn't believe in a simple kind of religion or a single religion.
Hassan,
they
are
are
not just criticizing her.
People. They can go anywhere else. There is nothing.
So you're not just criticizing her for going to Kedarnath, you're also questioning her lifestyle.
Criticizing is not there for going to Kedarnath only. The criticism of Sara Ali Khan is because she offers her prayer to the idols over there in the temple.
And why can't she? And why can't she? Does the Constitution not allow every citizen to practice religion?
Ma'am, first of all, you have to ask the question to Sara Ali Khan whether she follows Islam or not.
And even if she follows Islam, you're saying you cannot visit any other religious place and offer your prayers?
Visiting a religious place is some other thing, and offering prayers to idols, which is totally prohibited in Islam, that is something other thing.
You know, it reminds... this reminds me also, I want to bring in Ms. Samant. This also reminds me of how actress Nusrat was trolled. She was slammed for participating in Durga Puja. She married a Hindu and she was practicing some traditions, and she was slammed for doing so. Every time an individual chooses to offer their prayers the way they want to exhibit their faith, they are slammed. Why?
Firstly, I think bullying must be unacceptable in all its form in our society. And secondly, there's a clear hypocrisy in what kind of actions what kind of bullying is called out and what is not. People are calling out the bullying of one of our cricketers online, and rightfully so. But
Mohammad Shami. His name is
Mohammad Shami. Yes, one of our cricketers, Mohammad Shami. But no one's calling out the fact that Sara Ali Khan has been constantly, bullied for posing outside temples and offering her prayers. She does have a mixed background with a Muslim father and a Hindu mother. And I think as a citizen of a democratic country that India is, I think she must have the liberty to make her choice. And people shouldn't, and I think it's immoral for her to be bullied just because she decided to offer prayers at Kedarnath.
What is so wrong with Sabka Saath? Majid Hydari. There's a long list of celebrities who were targeted, who were trolled, slammed, and even their children were not spared. The constitution gives you the freedom. Then what is the problem of a certain section of people?
Well, firstly, happy Diwali and congratulations to Team India for its prospective victory against the Taliban's cricket team in Abu Dhabi. Now, coming to this question, see, Sara Ali Khan has resorted to a kind of dutva appeasement, but at the cost of Muslim identity and integrity. She could have resorted to some other means like birthday wishes, but here she is trying to infringe the rights and integrity of Muslims, which is not acceptable. I mean, she comes from a Muslim family. If she is a Muslim, she is not supposed to behave so. It is true for every Muslim, and we have every right to. No, madam, we have every right to speak against. Madam, there is no bullying against her. It's the peace of mind. People
then
are trying to give her the peace of mind.
What is this trolling? Is this not bullying?
There is no trolling. It's peace of mind for
mind.
someone who is supposed to be a Muslim. There is no kind of trolling on this.
Okay, so you're saying constitution doesn't matter. You're saying constitution doesn't matter. She has no free will. She has no free will. The constitution doesn't matter. The rights that have been bestowed upon her by the constitution also don't matter in a democratic country like India.
Swati Saiba, she is trying to give a message that Indian celebrity Muslims should visit temples, should resort to Hindu appeasement, which is not acceptable.
Hindu appeasement, that is how you are interpreting all of it. That is how you are interpreting all of it. It is a question of free will.
No, it's
what
not
is
free,
wrong in her visiting
timeline.
the Kedarnath temple and offering her prayers, or for that matter, any other religious place? Would you have a problem if tomorrow she went to a Gurudwara or if she went to a church to offer her prayers?
See, her name is not Sara Amrita. Her name is Sara Ali Khan, and thus we Muslims have objection.
Did you ask this question to
Unless
Mr.
she
Yogi
declares
Adityanath
which
also
religion
that he
to
says,
visit?
मैं दिवाली
Hassan Saab, several celebrities every year visit the Ajmer Sharif Dargah.
योगी आदित्यनाथ जी से ही पूछेंगी
नहीं हसन साहब हर साल कई हिंदू और बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज की, क्योंकि आप लोग बात कर रहे हैं, कई बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज हर साल अजमेर शरीफ दरगाह जाते हैं क्योंकि उनको फेथ है वहां पर, क्योंकि उनको विश्वास है यहां पर। तो आप उनको कहेंगे कि आप मत जाइए क्योंकि हम आपको अलाउ नहीं करेंगे।
देखिए ऐसा है, सबसे पहले तो एक बात ये जान लीजिए कि अगर मैं मुसलमान हूं तो इस्लाम को फॉलो करता हूं तो आइडल वर्शिप उसमें टोटली प्रोहिबिटेड है, वो बैन है। कोई भी शख्स मुसलमान नहीं हो सकता, इस्लाम में दाखिल नहीं हो सकता अगर वो आइडल वर्शिप कर रहा है, ठीक है ना। आप कहीं जाइए, घूमने के इरादे से जाइए, टूरिज्म के नाते जाइए, किसी को कोई एतराज नहीं है। मगर जब आप अपना नाम, आपका मतलब मेरा नाम मसूदुल हसन है और मैं जाकर के मैं हर धर्म की बहुत इज्जत करता हूं, मैं किसी दूसरे धार्मिक स्थान पे जाकर के वर्शिप करूं,
जब आप नहीं,
दैट इज नॉट अलाउड इन इस्लाम।
नहीं, तो जब आप हर धर्म की इज्जत करते हैं, आप जब हर धर्म की इज्जत करते हैं, सारा अली खान अगर केदारनाथ चली गई तो फिर इतनी दिक्कत क्यों? और आरपी सिंह के पास भी मैं जाना चाहूंगी। आरपी सिंह, योर रिस्पॉन्स, यू हर्ड एवरीवन ऑन द पैनल।
देखिए ऐसा है,
Swati, I'm a believer of Guru. Sir.
अच्छा सर, आरपी सिंह जी को भी बोलने दीजिए प्लीज, let him come in.
Well, I'm a believer of Shri Guru Granth Sahib, and in Guru Granth Sahib there's a Bani by Kabir which is written, Awal Allah Noor Paya, Kudrat Te Sab Bande, Kudrat Ke Sab Bande. I mean, we are all from the same light source. We are all human beings being blessed by the same one God, one light source. So we can go to temple, we can go to masjid, we can go to church, we can go to Gurdwara. Ultimately, objective is the same. I don't know why you want to dissect and bisect, bifurcate into this level that, oh, you can't go and bow down in front of an idol in a temple, or I can't go and bow down in a masjid. But there's no restriction there. I mean, or someone can't go to Gurdwara and bow down in front of Guru Granth Sahib. Or I can't offer a prayer in a church. Sir, can I allow me to complete? I never interrupted you, sir. Please, I never.
No, please, Hassan
My name, sir, can I complete? Allow me to complete, sir. Did I interrupted you?
Let him please.
Majid Hydari,
प्लीज हैव सम
कोई शर्म करो यार।
आरपी सिंह जी अपनी बात पूरी कीजिए।
अल्लाह के नाम पे शर्म करो। जी जी। So I was also there. I was just therefore yesterday I was also in Kedar. I was there in Kedarnath. I saw Sara Ali Khan there. So they have probably gone for some shooting and they were there. So I also went and offered my prayer in Kedarnath. I'm a Sikh, but I mean, that doesn't say that I'm leaving my religion. So I mean, I don't understand why troll her for just going to a temple. She's not going away from her faith. She is still a Muslim. And then sir,
माजिद हैदरी
और सर आप भी 1400 साल पहले आप क्या थे? ये बता दीजिए। 1400 साल के का इतिहास है, उससे पहले क्या थे ये बता दीजिए आप। देश के भारत के अंदर क्या था सबके सब?
Sir, the conspiracy is out. You have spilled the beans.
What is the conspiracy?
Sara Ali Khan was there at the temple when you were also there. So
what is the conspiracy? So what is the conspiracy? RP Singh cannot go to Kedarnath.
He should also visit temple.
माजिद हैदरी ये कैसी बात आप कर रहे हैं? ये कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप? कल के दिन आप नहीं कल के दिन आप कहीं गए और आपके साथ अगर आरपी सिंह दिख गए तो आप कहेंगे कि ये कंस्पिरेसी है। माजिद हैदरी टीवी पर आके आरपी सिंह के खिलाफ बोलते हैं और वैसे आरपी सिंह के साथ घूमते दिखाई देते हैं। Is this a conspiracy? Two people cannot be at the same place at the same time. Majid Haidari, what sort of an argument is that?
No, madam, it's a larger conspiracy.
What is the larger conspiracy?
Needs to visit temples.
Can I interject here?
Sara Ali Khan has been hired by BJP for this.
Okay, so if you talk about Sabka Saath, then you are hired by the BJP. Ms. Samant, you've been hired by the BJP and BJP is making Sara Ali Khan visit temples. This is a conspiracy. और इससे क्या हासिल हो जाएगा? I don't know, but this is a conspiracy.
Can I quickly interject?
स्वाति एक मिनट स्वाति मैं चैलेंज कर रहा हूं। माजिद के पर दादा का नाम मिट्ठू था, मिट्ठू भाई था। अरे क्या कर रहे हो माजिद भाई?
Okay. No, because you started Majid Haidari. Because you started it Majid Haidari. Please, let Ms. Samant come in.
Something very serious.
No, let Ms. Samant come in.
Our identity is being hampered.
I would just like to add that trying to use religion to justify bullying of a girl in a democratic country, which has a constitution which guarantees people their personal liberty, is just bigotry. So I think people should here on this panel stop using religious tropes to justify the bullying of a girl.
Religion first. If she want to go to any other place of worship, if she want to worship any other thing,
but she does not wish to change her religion.
She should declare.
But she does not wish to. She does not wish to. The Constitution guarantees her that right. The Constitution guarantees her the right to practice her religion, to keep her faith intact.
Yeah, she lives in a country where her liberty, guarantees. Her liberty is guaranteed.
कोई भी शख्स होगा एक फेथ फॉलो करेगा ना, वेदर
अगर एक शख्स को नहीं सर्वधर्म समभाव की जो बातें होती हैं, अगर एक शख्स को सभी धर्मों पर भरोसा है, अगर किसी एक शख्स को सभी धर्मों पर भरोसा है, अगर कोई एक शख्स है जो मानता है कि चाहे भगवान किसी भी धर्म का हो वो एक है, तो वो इंसान गलत है। हसन साहब, आप उसको कहेंगे देश से ही निकल जाओ।
कह रहा हूँ क्या
आप लोगों को कह रहे हैं अपना धर्म बदल लो, किसी और धर्म में चले जाओ। जो सर्वधर्म संभाव की बात करेगा आप तो उसको देश से ही निकाल देंगे।
तो बीजेपी बहुत दिनों से कह रही है। बीजेपी
ये इनटॉलरेंस क्यों है? नहीं मुझे बताइए हसन साहब।
हम करें
हसन साहब, ये इनटॉलरेंस नहीं है।
हम करें तो कैरेक्टर ढीला।
नहीं ये इनटॉलरेंस नहीं है, क्योंकि वो मंदिर चली गई इसीलिए आपकी भावनाएं आहत हो गई।
मंदिर जाने से मंदिर तो मैं भी गया हूँ कई बार।
फिर ये तो आपने गलत किया, कैसे चले गए मंदिर?
लेकिन मैंने मंदिर में जाके वहां पर मत्था नहीं टेका।
आपको क्या पता उन्होंने क्या किया क्या नहीं किया मंदिर में? फिर आप क्यों गए मंदिर? आपका धर्म आपको मंदिर में जाने की इजाजत कैसे देता है?
टीका लगा हुआ है।
नहीं मुझे लग रहा है जो रश्मि बात कह रही थी ना, वो बिल्कुल सही है कि धर्म की आड़ में ट्रोल किया जा रहा है, बुली किया जा रहा है सारा अली खान को। तो फिर आप मंदिर जाने पर ही पाबंदी लगा दीजिए।
सिंपल एक बात,
आप मंदिर जाने पर ही पाबंदी लगा दीजिए। बिकॉज माजिद हैदरी, आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर अ माइंड रीडर और नॉट, बट टुमारो इफ अ मुस्लिम विजिट्स अ टेंपल, उनको देख करके आप बता देंगे अरे ये तो सिर्फ गए हैं, ये धर्म नहीं बदल रहे हैं अपना, ये उधर जाकर के दूसरे धर्म के भगवान के साथ वार्तालाप या प्रेयर करने नहीं गए, ये तो सिर्फ गए हैं।
शंकराचार्य जी के टेंपल गया हूं, मैं भी वहाँ टेम्पल गया हूँ, but
क्यों गए सर? क्यों गए? How are you allowed and she is not allowed?
Many times.
Majid Hydari, how are you allowed and Sara Ali Khan is not allowed?
Celebrities are being misused to hamper our interest. This is against the rights of
Majid Hydari, how are you allowed? Very simple question. How are you allowed to go to a temple and you're proudly talking about that? And how is she not allowed to go to a temple?
Madam, because I am not a part of any conspiracy to infringe the rights and integrity of Indian Muslims.
All right. So now it's not about. Now it's not even about Islam. Now it's not even about Islam, क्योंकि थोड़ी देर पहले तो आप कह रहे थे कि इस्लाम में इजाजत नहीं है. अब ये कहने के बाद that you yourself have been to several temples, you're saying you're not part of a conspiracy. Now it's not about Islam. RP Singh ji, this is about conspiracy. What is this that you're planning? क्या कर रहे हैं आप? सारा अली खान केदारनाथ क्यों चली गई? आप वहां पर क्यों थे? What is this conspiracy all about?
देखिए, मैं इनको समझाना चाहता हूँ. मैं ये भूल रहे हैं कि 1400 साल इनका पहले नाम क्या था, बता दें. इनके फैमिलीज में नाम चेक कर लें. सर में क्या फर्क पड़ता है दोस्त? आप मंदिर जाए, मस्जिद जाए, गुरुद्वारे जाए, चर्च जाए. कई मुसलमान गुरुद्वारे आते हैं मत्था देखने. हम तो बुरा नहीं मानते, उनका स्वागत है, आइए ना, आपका स्वागत है. और मैं जो वापस कह रहा हूँ, आप मुझे मत मानिए, कबीर को तो मानते हो आप. अरे माजिद, आप कबीर को तो मानते हो. कबीर ने कहा, मैंने नहीं कहा. ये कबीर की बानी मैंने बताई थी आपको. अव्वल अल्लाह नूर पाया, कुदरत के सब बंदे. ये मेरी बानी नहीं है.
हम तो मानते हैं,
कबीर को तो मानो.
ब्रिज बनाया था जिसे आप राम सिंह कहते हैं.
आप सिखिज्म को फॉलो करते हैं. मुझे आप ये बताइए किसी
अच्छा, ये बताइए. अच्छा चलो, मैं आपकी बात मान लेता हूँ. आपकी बात मान लेता हूँ. कहाँ लिखा है कुरान में, कहाँ लिखा है कि आप दूसरे धर्मों के धर्मस्थल पे नहीं जा सकते? मेरा अच्छा चलिए माजिद, मेरा चैलेंज स्वीकार करिए. मुझे कुरान की कौन सी आयत में लिखा है कि आप दूसरे धर्म के स्थानों पे नहीं जा सकते, धर्म स्थानों पे नहीं जा सकते?
हसन साहब जवाब देंगे इसका. हसन साहब जवाब दीजिए. हसन साहब जवाब दीजिए इसका.
एतराज नहीं है. जाइए,
क्यों नहीं है?
फिर ये दूसरे धर्मों का आदर कीजिए.
नहीं, माजिद हैदरी क्यों जा सकते हैं? आप क्यों जा सकते हैं मंदिर, लेकिन सारा अली खान नहीं जा सकती? आप क्यों मंदिर जा सकते हैं और सारा अली खान नहीं जा सकते?
कुरान के कुरान में कालों की कहाँ लिखा है? उस कुरान में कहाँ लिखा है?
जो है पूजा पद्धति इस्लाम की कुछ और है.
एक बात पर टिकिए, एक बात पर टिकिए. पहले आपने कहा इस्लाम इसकी इजाजत नहीं देता, इस्लाम डज नॉट अलाउ दिस. Then you said you can go to the temple because I have been to the temple several times. Majid Hydari admits doing the same, then says मैं तो जाता हूँ, अलग बात है, but because Sara Ali Khan has gone there, it is some sort of a conspiracy.
I did not go there for the sake of worship. It was a visit to a temple. I have went there many times, but not for the sake of worship.
But that was your free will. You chose to go there. She has similar rights. She can go to the Kedarnath temple. The Constitution guarantees. The Constitution guarantees her that freedom and that right, Majid Hydari. Last word to Miss Samant before I wrap up. Rashmi Samant, last word to you.
Well, I think the gentlemen here are trying to impose their views on other people, and that is not how we live in a democratic society. And I'm very ashamed that we are in a place where people are trying to justify cyberbullying, that of a girl who's very young, and that shouldn't happen. I sincerely hope that stops.
All right.
And that we can all live the way that we want to within this country.
Well, let's hope that your argument drives some sense into those people. Thank you very much, RP Singh, Rashmi Samant, Majid Hydari, and Hasan Saab for joining us on the broadcast. Thank you.